Welcome to WORxK Global News, where we bring you the latest insights shaping careers, workplaces, and leadership. Today, we're looking at Emotional Intelligence 101, a beginner's guide to understanding and improving your EQ. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is more than just a buzzword. It's the ability to recognize and understand emotions in yourself and others, and to use that awareness to guide your actions. Research shows that EQ plays a critical role in building relationships, managing stress, and achieving both personal and professional goals. Unlike IQ, emotional intelligence isn't fixed. It's a skill that can be developed over time through practice and self-awareness. The experts identify 5 key components of EQ: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. These elements work together to help individuals communicate effectively, navigate complex social situations, and stay resilient under pressure. High EQ is linked to stronger relationships, better career outcomes, and even improved physical health by reducing the effects of stress and anxiety. The good news? Anyone can boost their EQ. From practicing mindfulness to developing empathy and improving communication skills, small daily actions can lead to significant growth. That's all for today's highlight from WORxK Global News. Stay informed, stay resilient, and remember, personal growth is the foundation of professional success.